Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install the Telnet client on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So Telnet is a network protocol used on your internet or local area network or LAN for a short but provides a bi-directional communication between different computers guys. The Telnet client is includes and sold on the computer guys, but it is disabled by default. Today's video I show you guys how to enable it. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type Windows features. Turn on Windows features on or off. Open it. Scroll down guys. Telnet client, select it. You just want to check mark it and click OK. I just want to Windows completed the requested changes. Close out of here and restart your computer for changes take effect guys. Restart it. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.